I'm telling you. Munhu wandaifungidzira asiri.
Sure.
Zviri wangu.
Get familiar to the face. Inini ndiri bozo wangu zviri sei.
Musha. So first time pane song inonzi yandakateerera. Panabvunza ndikati munhu uyu ndiani?
Yeah.
And that's these are powerful vocals. These are powerful vocals.
Thank you.
These are powerful vocals. When did you start singing? First time you was talking mass in Indo Yimbaini.
Well, the first time was 2012, is it? Yeah, 2012. That was my first recording. That's when I did my first recording.
Where were you?
I was in Norton.
I
really don't remember the name of the producer because he was a one-time person. Actually, we worked once and then I never saw him again.
Interesting.
So, yeah.
Interesting. All right, so you're here to sing. I'm going to ask you to sing because of our time. I'd love for you to sing, and then we'll talk as we go. You respond on the WhatsApp platform. Talk to Celsius is in the building, and live sessions on the Breakfast Club. Let's go.
Yeah, na. Listen up. Kugieto, do guatinova, kugieto, do guatinoda, kugieto, do guatagato kurira, torara kune kumukira, inindo shanda kusvikira ndava mufakose, anekuti ndinoda budiriro, kuwadzana ndo kwatinoda, pangieto tombuka godo, kubva kugrenhoda fione dizete, tafara. Adzano vembare vanoda rugare ini ndoda chiedza epubwedza kugeto tinobva kugeto geto tinobva kugeto. Second verse of my favorite part, Pandichunia. Listen. Ngoma richarira kumatapisa magaba saka asiyaso ola skipane blawayo makokoba abiga pano kuna chagamari mudoropa Njatinoona pageto hona ndizvo zvinoita tigozogona panobudikira geto yutifona 911 ageto yutirino mbiri yakutanga mawani nekubuda mawani sakaziva mawani geto rino mbiri yakurova fashani kubhirida patani nekutsara manjani smart pa areas smart patonazi ingavamonas kana kumadhumas geto yutiranga vhuriga richanarikazi pakawanda fitazi usati chinja sichazi geto tinobva kugeto geto tinobva kugeto inzwa anze angairire ngoma vadairire angairire yeah man ufansa futhi
Yeah.
zvinhu zvese bhoko kubva get set wayasena man olani.
Celsius right here
Yeah,
on the
boy.
Breakfast Club live sessions. Nikimkomana anosimudza dhanzi ye voice rake rabva randifungisa original reggae tiri pabudiriro original reggae. Now tell me, when you think of your when you talk about and consider your early musical influences, what would you classify? Like, did you grow up listening to Bob Marley, Peter Tosh?
Well, I used to listen to a lot of people, including my local artists as well, but especially my big brother, Mega Spice. He's the one who inspired me the most because I have a blood brother, Akasira in family. He's the one Agatangane Wimba. So it was just a copy and paste thing first, and then cut and paste.
So I'm done, mommy, mom quiet.
Zoguti be.
Kuchechago.
Kuchechago. Well, I used to sing and did kuchkoro actually. We had a group Rains All for God. You know Jonah Shivas?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yeah. We used to sing together by Ellis Robbins, but in a group Rains All for God.
Really?
Yeah.
What you realize first one?
This one is a gospel.
Look, we're gonna kill the music. We're gonna kill the music. This is a moment. This is a moment. This is a moment. Throw it. Just one verse. Just one verse.
There
Just
was
one verse.
There was one favorite song I used to sing and sing. Kana mazuva peravo tichasvika parwizi Baba tiambutse rwizi ururwizi Jordan Kana mazuva peravo tichasvika parwizi Baba tiambutse rwizi ururwizi Jordan Munoziva Mwari handipfugami kunamata kwa murimi Baba asindasvika parwizi ndoeredzwa nezvivi zvose zviri mumaziso enyu Baba.
Yeah.
Oh, everybody, I got about Ellis Robbins. I mean, if you're hearing this, you know what, go on.
I love that. Are you still in touch with Jonah?
Yeah, we're still in touch.
Uh-huh.
I mean, last year, but we're still in touch though.
I said I put on a many mazapra. Dear. Ndinipa muromo. So now we're looking into the future.
Yeah.
And what is it that you have in store for your fans at Celsius?
Well, I have a lot in store. Actually, I have a collaboration that is coming out next, which is in this month, with Saint Flo, Narana Rose. The
Nice.
song is called what? Chiround. Yeah, it's called Chiround. So that song, it's a collaboration as well with my visuals na Zim Celebs.
Oh,
So,
nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's gonna be a big thing, trust me.
And you
Trust
write your
me.
own music?
Yeah, I do write my own music. And ndingatonyorera.
Kanjani. Your inspiration, though, mostly when you write.
Well, life experiences. Well, that's my inspiration in full.
That I was hoping that am I going to hear in the end today? Yes. Just out of interest, what was happening, by the way?
Pandiend.
Yeah, from my life experiences.
Well, at that point in time, I always say this. I was actually late because ndaenda kundege. Ndaifly ndaenda ku-UK nandine show. So ndangosvika kwaskid zvekutomhanya and then vakatongonditi ndine rhythm randinaro. Vatatongotanga kugadzira chinhu instantly kunge serevhiti.
Kanjani?
Ndobva chatobuda.
Saka iya haina life experience here.
Ndati kunakidzwa nemadzimai chete kwekupedzisira sezvo handati hapana madzibaba pasina madzimai.
Celsius on the Breakfast Club live sessions. Hold on, because I don't know how long we're going to take with this one. How do people get in touch with you? Your contact details?
776-363-566.
Say that number again.
776-363-566.
And
or 0771 715 actually 905 and 444. So it's 715 905 444.
Any upcoming shows?
Well, we have Kadoma, is it? Kadoma. It's coming in Pirakumwezuno.
Absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
I just wanted to also ask about your dress sense and your fashion sense there. Check up,
From check up, Pandine Muna anondigadzirira, and she's actually a young girl. What's her name again? Evelyn Mobochwa. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, she's a young lady. She's 14 actually.
14?
Yeah.
She will design.
She designs. I mean, she been all over. I mean, the country. I end up my competition in fashion, America, Africa, and that I attended Africa kwa Kawanda. She's a young girl, but I mean, she's doing it big.
So if she designs, who then sews?
Well, myself, anobatsirana na dede wake.
That's powerful.
Anobatsirana na dede wake.
Big up to her. Big up to her. Big up to her.
Yeah,
Big up to her.
Mobochwa.
And so, before we say goodbye, your last word to your fans.
Well, don't worry yourself too much. Celsius is back in the industry, and make sure say you follow my pages all over, from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Kwesi ngatibatane so that we move on from where we left.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
All right then, and Celsius signing us out to 9 o'clock
Again.
with that song, with that favorite song. Thanks so much for tuning into the Breakfast Club on Star FM. Always great to be in your space. Blessings, light, and love. We are back as the club on Monday. Until then, listen to this. Take it away.
Sinanana, oh na. A baby arigurira mbreni zangu, ndoda kufamba pasaidi pangu, ndangara muona muombe zangu, tichidana ari chimogo changu. Yeah, my dimples, pamatama awuna ma wrinkles, uri smooth kunge jipere ma Pringles, ndika kuwina ndicha believe ma miracles. Kuna kagogo baby uri high grade, ndana kushane mana hiti pasambeti, wakango ndipa chance ndokupa baby, Marielo bola yote vera lady. Yeah, diende. Nerudo haita ndiende, dengare chino mwe pasina ndege. Nerudo haita ndipenga, diende. Nerudo haita ndiende, dengare chino mwe pasina ndege. Nerudo wanditokonya, wandibaya panato. Ona ini andichagona, mahipsa kadira, uchifamba unokunda Shakira, shiri kutamba zveka kungeparira, songo yekuzunza mazakwatira, ndambaedza kunyarara asiruna rwako, oh my gosh, rwandiratidza vamwe vese havana doo, ndiwe uri patap. Pull it up from top to top.
Come on.
Dikoko. A baby arigurira mbreni zangu, ndoda kufamba pasaidi pangu, ndangara muona muombe zangu, tichidana ari chimogo changu. Yeah, my dimples, pamatama abuna ma wrinkles, uri smooth kunge jipere ma Pringles, ndika kuwina ndicha believe ma miracles. Kuna kagogo baby uri high grade, ndana kushare bana hiti pasambeti, wakango ndipa chance ndokupa baby, Marielo bola yote vera lately. Yeah, diende. Nerudo haita ndiende, dengare chino mwe pasina ndege. Nerudo haita ndipenga, diende. Nerudo haita ndiende, dengare chino mwe pasina ndege. Nerudo wanditokonya, wandibaya pana domota, ona ini andichakuna. Mahipsa kadira, uchifamba unokunda Shakira, zviri kutamba zveka kungeparira, songo yekuzunza mazakwatira, ndambaedza kunyarara asiruna rwako, oh my gosh, rwandiratidza vamwe vese havana, ndiwe uri patap. Diende. Some more.
Thank you for tuning in to Star FM, sounding good all the time. It is 9 o'clock and it's time for the news.
This